Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.5 question number 9. Let's see the question. Differentiate with respect to x. Here they have given x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Here both the powers are in function, so we need to differentiate the power also. In case if we need to differentiate the power, we can't take it as it is, we need to take log. For taking log, if there is a plus or minus sign, take log separately. So let me take the given question as let y is equal to, and I am taking y to be u plus v, where u is equal to x power sin x and v is equal to sin x power cos x. Now let u equal to x power sin x and v is equal to sin x power cos x. Now taking log here, it becomes log u is equal to log of x power sin x. Here log v is equal to log sin x power cos x. Here the power will come in the front. We can write this to be, if log m power n is given, we can write this to be n log m. So the power will come as a multiply in log k. So for that reason we are taking log on both the sides. Here becomes log u is equal to sin x log x. Now this has become two function in multiply, so we need to use product rule. Let me use the product rule. Let me start with the differentiation. Here log u becomes 1 by u log, because log x is 1 by x differentiation, and as it is u, I am taking this to be du by dx is equal to, keeping sign as it is, if we differentiate log x is 1 by x, plus keeping log x as it is, if we differentiate sin x, it is cos x. Bringing u to this side, it comes as a multiply, so du by dx is equal to u into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Now substitute the u value here, so du by dx is equal to, u is x power sin x, so x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. This is your du by dx. The same way we need to do the dv by dx. So we need to find dv by dx. For that reason, the same formula we are going to apply here. The power will come to the front, so here it becomes log v is equal to cos x log sin x. Now as it is in multiply, we are going to use product rule. Here let me start with the differentiation. This becomes 1 by v dv by dx into, keeping cos x as it is, if we differentiate log sin x, here it becomes sin x, log x is 1 by x, here in the place of x we have sin x, so it becomes by sin x into inner function differentiation we did do. Here the differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus keeping log sin x as it is, we need to differentiate cos x, which is nothing but minus sin x, so here it becomes a minus sin x. Now bringing v to this side, it comes as a multiply, dv by dx is equal to v into, here it becomes cot x, so cot x cos x minus, here it becomes sin x log sin x. Plus into minus will become minus. Now write the value of v. So dv by dx is equal to, v is nothing but sin x power cos x. So sin x power cos x into cot x cos x minus sin x log sin x. We want dy by dx, so I need to differentiate this. Differentiating y is equal to u plus v, differentiating it becomes dy by dx is equal to du, differentiating of u is du by dx plus differentiating of v is dv by dx. Now substitute, we know the value of du by dx and we know the value of dv by dx. Just substitute the value here. It becomes dy by dx is equal to, here it becomes x power sin x by x plus log x into cos x, or cos x into log x, plus here write the dv form, becomes sin x power next power cos x into cot x cos x minus sin x log sin x. This is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.